world today.
Just trust me when I say you are Ladybug.
I'm honestly not.
You don't know till you've tried.
You honestly got the wrong
and
girl.
when things get tough,
I had in a dream.
just be who you are deep inside.
What do you mean?
Let me break it down. I've been finding ladybugs for thousands of years. The world always needs one when a threat appears. So in the darkest hour of our longest night, there's always been a ladybug to stand up and fight. The fighting and the spying, becoming best friends. We'll come this close to dying, then we'll do it all again. It'll be amazing to see when you've got these abilities. You'll find your groove as a suit for continuity.
What's in it for me?
I'll tell you what's in it for you. You can become someone brand new.
Just leave me alone. I wanna go home. I'm not the one that you want in the least.